Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Requirements.txt in Python Updated Complete Guide. So managing dependencies is a crucial part of Python development, especially when you're working on a project that uses multiple libraries. So the requirements in here or the requirements.txt file is a standard way to specify and manage these dependencies, and this tutorial walks you through the process step by step so that you can set up your Python environment efficiently. So as you can see, we have to create a requirements.txt file first. So we're currently already in here. So we're just gonna name this, or make sure to name that requirements.txt. Now inside this, you'll just need to list the Python packages and their specific version, each on a new line. Just like this, we have Flask, Request, and Pandas. Right after, to go ahead and install dependencies using pip, we're just gonna have to open terminal for that, or our command prompt. So we'll just need to navigate to the directory where your requirements.txt file is located. So it's under my app folder in here, or this one, the Python resam. So we're just gonna cd this to change the location, and then type in here Python. I think the spelling is different. Let's retry it again. Make sure you have typed in the right words in there. And there you go. Now you'll just need to run this following command to install the dependencies. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Click on enter, and you'll just have to wait for this one to be done. Now after installation is complete, ensure that the dependencies are installed correctly by running this line, pip list. So this should go ahead and display all installed packages in your current Python environment, including those listed in requirements.txt. So just find it in there, onto this list, and here are those installed ones that are inside our requirements.txt. Now, whenever you add, update, or remove a dependency, update your requirements.txt file onto the command line. Make sure as well to share your requirements.txt file with others to ensure consistency across different systems or to share your environment. And that is just how to use requirements.txt to manage dependencies for your Python project, or how to install requirements.txt in Python Updated Complete Guide. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.